Welcome to our channel. Listen to short audiobooks every day and improve yourself.
Johann Hari, Magic Pill. The extraordinary benefit and disturbing risks of the new weight loss drugs. Obesity is one of the most pressing challenges of our time. One of the leading causes of avoidable deaths in affluent societies, this epidemic has proven resistant to virtually all public health interventions. Today, a new class of drugs promises to solve this crisis. Originally developed for diabetes under the name Ozempic, semaglutide has been repurposed as Wegovy, showing remarkable efficacy in reducing weight. As obesity rates continue to climb, with more than half of the adult populations in the US affected, the arrival of such drugs could not be more timely. The popularity for these drugs has catapulted their manufacturer, Novo Nordisk, to the status of Europe's most valuable company. Magic Pill delves into this modern medical revolution, offering an inside look at the discovery, mechanisms, and potential impacts of these weight loss drugs. It explores not just the scientific and health aspects, but also the societal implications of relying on pharmaceutical solutions to widespread health issues. The result is a nuanced take on the potential risks and rewards of a drug that looks set to transform our world. New weight loss drugs produce dramatic results. It's not hard to see why new weight loss drugs like Ozempic have been making headlines since they first hit the market in 2017. On average, these drugs help their users shed between 15 and 24% of their body weight within just 1 year. That's big news in affluent societies like the United States, where 1 in 2 adults is now obese, a condition linked to over 200 diseases and health complications, including some of the leading causes of death, like cardiovascular disease. No wonder, then, that they've been hailed as a miracle solution. There are good reasons to be skeptical, however. We've been here before, after all. History shows that a new breakthrough drug hits the market approximately every 20 years. These drugs are initially celebrated for their benefits before potentially serious side effects are uncovered. This cyclic emergence of solutions raises a profound question. Is it truly possible to find a simple solution to weight loss without unintended consequences, especially given the complex nature of the human body and our intricate relationship with food? That, in a nutshell, is the question at the heart of this blink. But before we get to that, we need to take a look at how these new drugs work. Although their mechanisms aren't fully understood yet, we know that they manipulate the appetite regulation process of the body by mimicking the effects of a hormone called GLP-1. Normally, this hormone signals the brain to stop eating by indicating fullness shortly after consumption, but it dissipates quickly. Drugs like Ozempic introduce a synthetic form of GLP-1 that prolongs this sensation of fullness for about a week, significantly reducing hunger and food intake. When considering the impact of these drugs, it's helpful to compare them to bariatric surgery, long considered the most effective weight loss intervention prior to these pharmaceuticals. Bariatric surgery, which includes procedures like stomach stapling, drastically alters the digestive system to promote weight loss. Despite its effectiveness, it carries risks, including a notable mortality rate. Conversely, reversing obesity through such interventions dramatically decreases the likelihood of dying from heart attacks, cancer, or diabetes. Similarly, taking weight loss drugs like Ozempic can lead to significant health improvements. For individuals with a BMI over 27, these drugs can reduce the risk of a heart attack by 27% and lower the chances of having a stroke by 20% within 2 years. These benefits underscore why many are choosing to embrace these pharmaceutical solutions. However, as with any medical treatment, the pursuit of health through pharmacological means must be balanced with awareness of the possible long-term consequences, making it crucial for individuals to consider all factors. For that reason, it's vital to consider the potential risks, and that's the topic we'll turn to next. Weight loss drugs have been linked to some worrying risks. Drugs like Ozempic are drawing attention not only for their potential benefits, but also for the risks associated with their use, particularly given the limited understanding of their long-term effects. These drugs, initially developed for treating diabetes, are now being repurposed for weight loss, prompting thorough investigations into their safety. One significant concern highlighted by research conducted at the University of Montpellier in France involves the risk of thyroid cancer. Preclinical studies on animals indicated a substantial increase in thyroid cancer risk, attributed to the presence of GLP-1 receptors in the thyroid gland, as well as the gut and brain. Further research comparing diabetic patients taking these drugs against those who did not suggested an increase in thyroid cancer risk by 50 to 75%. Although this represents a relative increase from a potentially low baseline risk, it serves as a crucial cautionary indicator. That said, it's important to note that these findings are still provisional and have been contested by other researchers, yet they underscore the need for heightened scrutiny and caution. Another area of concern is the effect of these drugs on pregnancy. The full impact of these drugs on pregnant individuals and their fetuses is largely unknown. Drawing parallels from known risks like lead exposure, which does not cause immediate visible effects but can lead to significant developmental issues later in life, researchers worry that similar long-term effects could emerge from these drugs. The potential for impairing a fetus's brain development, particularly in how they perceive reward and risk, suggests a need for rigorous research into the prenatal effects of these weight loss drugs. Beyond specific health risks, there is a broader impact on quality of life to consider. Many users of weight loss drugs report a diminished pleasure in eating. This side effect may seem minor compared to life-threatening health risks, but the loss of enjoyment in such a fundamental aspect of life can have profound implications for an individual's overall well-being. In sum, while the benefits of new weight loss drugs are significant, including potential reductions in obesity-related mortality, the accompanying risks can't be overlooked. These range from increased cancer risks to unknown impacts on pregnancy and quality of life. As these drugs continue to gain popularity and become more widely used, it is crucial that they are subject to ongoing and rigorous testing to fully understand their implications. Widespread use of weight loss drugs will transform society. We've seen that drugs like Ozempic have a dramatic impact on the bodies of their users, but they are also set to have a transformative impact on society. Some analysts even compare this impact to the introduction of the smartphone. Take a financial report by the British bank Barclays. It highlighted the potential long-term societal effects, comparing them to the seismic shifts observed following the unveiling of the iPhone. This comparison underscores the potential for these drugs to revolutionize various aspects of daily life and economic sectors beyond personal health. For instance, major corporations like Nestlé have already experienced declines in stock value due to anticipated shifts in consumer behavior. As generic versions of these drugs become available in the next decade, a significant decrease in the demand for high-calorie foods like ice cream and cookies is expected. This shift could drastically reshape the food industry as fewer people experience strong food cravings thanks to the appetite-suppressing effects of these medications. The implications extend to other industries as well. Airlines might see reduced fuel costs and increased profits due to lighter aircraft if a significant portion of the population loses weight. This could potentially make air travel cheaper if these savings are passed on to consumers. Similarly, in places like Los Angeles where weight loss drugs are popular, jewelers have seen a surge in business as people need to resize rings and other jewelry to fit their slimmer figures. However, the broader societal implications are complex. While these drugs could significantly reduce obesity-related deaths, which currently surpass the total American military deaths in all 20th century wars every year, they also raise concerns about social pressures. The prevalence of ultra-thin celebrity images and the accessibility of these drugs could exacerbate eating disorders and intensify the pressure to conform to certain body standards. Moreover, The side effects of drugs like Ozempic are not yet fully understood, which adds a layer of risk to their widespread adoption. The situation mirrors the narratives of many fairy tales, such as Aladdin, where desires are fulfilled with unforeseen consequences. Like the genie's lamp, the initial wish for a simple solution to weight loss is granted, but the outcomes may unfold in unexpected ways, affecting everything from personal health to global industries. Rewiring reward systems can be both beneficial and harmful. Exploring the interest in new weight loss drugs requires understanding the complex reasons behind why we eat. Hunger, the body's natural signal for sustenance and energy, is just the surface-level explanation. Beyond physiological hunger, there are psychological and emotional factors that influence eating behaviors. This becomes particularly relevant when considering the uptake of weight loss drugs. Individuals drawn to these drugs often seek more than just weight loss. They seek a change in their relationship with food, which has often served as an emotional crutch. These drugs, by suppressing appetite, inadvertently strip away the ability to comfort eat, which can bring about unexpected psychological discomfort. This occurs because the drugs not only alter physical hunger signals, but also disrupt deeply ingrained eating habits and emotional coping mechanisms. This interruption forces users to confront their emotions directly, without the buffer of food, potentially leading to feelings of depression or emotional numbness. This shift can be both beneficial and challenging. On one hand, it exposes the raw feelings underlying eating habits, providing an opportunity for genuine emotional growth and healthier lifestyle choices. On the other, it may lead to a broader dampening of pleasure, which could impact overall quality of life and well-being. The muted emotional state reported by many users might be linked to the drug's impact on the brain's reward system. Typically, eating, especially comfort foods like burgers and cookies, triggers a reward response contributing to feelings of pleasure and satisfaction. Weight loss drugs may dampen this reward response, not only making food less rewarding, but also potentially affecting other aspects of life that rely on the reward system, such as work, relationships, or other healthy coping strategies like exercise. The takeaway here is that interest in weight loss drugs extends far beyond the desire to lose weight. It is deeply tied to the complexities of human behavior and emotional health. As these drugs alter the way individuals interact with food and experience pleasure, they may offer significant benefits but also pose risks to emotional and psychological well-being. This dual impact underscores the importance of approaching weight loss treatment holistically, considering not just the physical but also the emotional dimensions of eating. Drugs like Ozempic are an artificial solution to an artificial problem. As we've seen, weight loss drugs present a potential solution to the obesity epidemic sweeping Western societies. Over the last several decades, obesity rates have soared, doubling and redoubling, resulting in a health crisis unlike any seen in the past 300,000 years of human history. Today, nearly half of the adult population in countries like the United States is considered obese, a stark contrast to just a few decades ago. The core issue lies in the concept of satiety, or the feeling of fullness, which has been severely undermined by modern dietary habits. The transition from whole, freshly prepared foods to heavily processed foods that are chemically constructed in factories marks a significant shift in how people eat. This shift is not merely a change in diet, but a profound disruption in how our bodies interact with food. A compelling illustration of this problem is demonstrated through an experiment with rats. In this experiment, rats that normally ate a natural diet and maintained healthy weights became severely overweight when introduced to high-fat, high-sugar foods typical of the American diet. More alarmingly, once these unhealthy options were removed, the rats initially refused to revert to their natural diet, highlighting the addictive nature of processed foods. This experiment mirrors the human experience. The modern diet tends to override the innate nutritional wisdom that helps regulate body weight. As sugary, fatty foods become prevalent, they diminish our ability to feel genuinely full, leading to overeating and, consequently, obesity. Weight loss drugs are seen as a modern fix to this modern problem. By potentially restoring the natural mechanism of satiety that has been scrambled by contemporary eating habits, these drugs offer a beacon of hope. They aim to artificially fill the void created by modern diets, reconnecting us with our natural signals of fullness. However, while they may address the symptoms of the obesity crisis by curbing appetite and enhancing feelings of fullness, these drugs do not tackle the underlying causes, the pervasive availability of nutritionally poor, highly processed foods. Put differently, these drugs offer a potentially powerful tool, but they are not a panacea. The broader issues of dietary habits and food production must also be addressed to achieve lasting health improvements. To Magic Pill by Johann Hari is that weight loss drugs like Ozempic offer significant potential to combat obesity by mimicking satiety hormones, reducing appetite, and helping users lose substantial body weight. However, their societal impact, mirroring disruptive technologies such as the iPhone, could reshape industries and provoke cultural shifts concerning body image and eating habits. Despite their promise, these drugs carry risks, including potential side effects like thyroid cancer and emotional numbness, necessitating cautious and informed use. They reflect an artificial solution to the dietary issues caused by modern processed foods, highlighting a need for comprehensive approaches to health and nutrition.